Students recorded the amount of liquid in fluid ounces each of them drank in one day. The box plot shows a summary of the results. Okay, so this is how a box plot works. We've got our lowest score, or our lowest number, is over here on this dot. Sometimes it's a line, sometimes it's a dot. We've got our highest number right there. Okay, so if we want to know our range, we just take this number and subtract this number, and that'll give us our range. Okay, they all fit somewhere between here and here. Now, we've got our median. That's our median. That's the middle number. Okay, so if you cross out lowest, cross out highest, cross out lowest, cross out highest, we get to our median. All right, so we've got half of our numbers here. We've got half of our numbers here. Now, this is what's called the lower quartile. Okay, a quartile means quarter. That means fourths. So we've got a quarter of our data right here. 1/4 of the data points lie right here. 1/4 of them lie right there. That's the halfway mark, what's called the median. We've got a quarter of them right here. And then we've got a quarter of them right there. Okay, so we can find the range, we know the median, and we know where a quarter lays here, a quarter lays here, a quarter lays here, a quarter lays here. So, which statement best describes the data represented in the box plot? Half the students drank from 78 to 114. This looks like about 78, 114. That looks pretty good. Let's see this one. The greatest number of students drank from 30 to 78. 30 to 78. That's half. That's not the greatest number. That would be half. The half, or half of the students drank from 30 to 78. Not the greatest number. Here the data represent 78 student responses. We have no idea how many student responses there are here. All we know is that a quarter were here, quarter here, quarter here, quarter here. And mean, we have no idea of our mean. We only know our median and our range. So F is the correct answer for number 8. Number 9. Which two expressions are equivalent? 4 plus 3 times y and 4 plus 3 times y. 4 plus 3 times y. Well, 3 times y is just 3y. 4 plus 3y and 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 times y would be 7y. 4 plus 3y does not equal 7y. Or not for every case, at least. So A is not correct. Here we've got 18 divided by y. 18 divided by y. Can't really do anything with that. Plus 10. Here we've got, let's see if we've got 10 plus y divided by 18. Okay, order matters with division. This is division here. Order matters with division. Okay, 1 over 2 does not equal 2 over 1. Order matters with division. Order matters with subtraction. Order does not matter with addition or multiplication. So here, these are not the same thing. Just like 1/2 is not equal 2 over 1, 18 over y does not equal y over 18. So B is out. C, we've got 12 minus 2, y times 2. 12 minus y times 2 is just 2y. It's y times 2. We have 2 of these y's. And we got 12 minus 2 times y. Once again, it's just 2y. Order does not matter with multiplication. Y times 2 is the same as 2 times y, just like 5 times 4 is the same as 4 times 5. These are equal. So C, these are equivalent. Number 10. Mr. Smith has a maximum of $50 to spend at a museum. A ticket to the museum costs $7. He can spend P dollars to buy other things at the museum. Which inequality can be used to find the possible values for P? Okay, so we can easily figure out if he has $50 to spend and the ticket costs $7, then 50 minus 7 would equal 43. He has a maximum of $43 to spend. He can spend $43 or he can spend less than $43. he can spend no more than $43. So let's see here. So P is going to be 43. 43 minus 7 equals 50, or is greater than 50. That's the greater than sign. No. 43 minus 7 is not. So P equals 43. It does not work. This one, once again, 43 minus 7 is less than 50. Yeah, that works, but it's not really the best solution. Here we've got 43 plus 7 is greater than or equal to 50. No, he can only spend $50. So H is out. 43 plus 7 is less than or equal to 50. There we go. He can spend $43, or he can spend less than $43. It's got to be less than or equal to. The maximum he has to spend is 50. So J is our solution there.